Hello friends, welcome on Remedies at Home. Here we talk about stuff which are right available in your kitchen and which are very beneficial for your body treatments. There are a lot of disease and something is keep on happening with the body like cold, cough, acne, itching, anything. So you don't need to rush to your medical shop for any of these kind of disease. There are a lot of things in your kitchen which can be useful. So today we talk about cold, and here you can see it's a beautiful yellow turmeric powder, and here I have a half glass of milk. I'm sure you must be knowing benefit of turmeric, but I can list down something. Turmeric is very useful for your heart. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It's have a lot of free radicals. It's good for your brain, good for your skin, a lot of things. But today we'll see how it can be used for curing cold, and that is instantly. Yes, you heard it right. What you can do, you can take half glass of milk as I've taken here, and you can mix less than half spoon of turmeric. And if you are taking glass of milk, then you can use half spoon, but here I am taking less than half spoon of turmeric, and I'm going to mix it with milk. Just give it a good stir, and once you mix it, you need to boil it. Just give it a good stir. Make sure it gets completely dissolved, and now we're going to boil it. This is the turmeric milk, and right now it's very hot. Just keep it aside and let it some cooler so you can drink it well. And this drink is very useful for eliminating a lot of diseases related to your blood, your skin. And I hope that if you take this drink regularly, and you're gonna have a lot of good result of it. And I'm sure that you loved my video, so please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.